गोयची नवी सकाळ ह्या ट्विटर हँडलाचेर अपलोड केल्ल्या कार्टूनाचेर तृणमुलाचो राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष लुईझीन फालेरान जाहीर माफी मागल्या। सोमारा राती उसरा जाल्ल्या भाजप आनी गट मंडळाचे बसकेत हाचेर निशेध नोंदवपाचे थारायल्ले। हे प्रकरण हांगाच सोंपूंक ना। उपरांत तृणमुलाचे पोस्टर आनी होर्डिंग्सय पिजून उडयल्ले।
तृणमुलाची सर्वेसर्वा ममता बॅनर्जी 28 तारखेक गोंय येवपाची आसा। ते खातीर तृणमुलाच्या गोंय फाट्यान नेटान तयारी चलयल्या। ममताच्या येवकारा खातीर बॅनर आनी होर्डिंग्स लायल्यात, पूण हे बॅनर कोणे तरी पिजूनय उडयले। वेंचणूक दोळे मुखार दवरून दरेक राजकीय पक्षाक आपलो अजेंडा फुडें घेवन वचपाचो अधिकार आसा। तेन्ना बॅनर आनी होर्डिंग्स पिजून उडोवप म्हटल्यार सामके सकयले पातळेवयलें राजकारण। ही बऱ्याची चिन्नां न्हू, फलेरो म्हणटा। आयकात ताका।
We are very thankful to the governor and
Mr. Falero,
and we are thankful to you because you have been standing in the hot sun.
Falero, since you are the national vice president now, yesterday BJP president has demanded apology for making the cartoon of the Prime Minister Amit Shah and CM. So what is your reaction? Otherwise they said they are going to disrupt the meetings.
I have not seen it, but in all seriousness, let me say, if anybody has done it, I don't agree with that. I also don't agree the statements made by our Prime Minister that time, Didi and all that fun.
Didi oh Didi.
See, we have to maintain certain decorum, norms and dignity in our behavior. If something like that has happened, I will look into the matter, and whoever I am told he is a small cartoonist, but it should not happen. Let me tell you that. I will go through it, I will investigate, and I will see. Because we want a fair play. We want a level playing field in the state of Goa for all political parties. I know some people are feeling rattled by TMC coming in Goa. They feel threatened, and I don't blame them. There
is reason for
them. Feel threatened. But anything what you have mentioned, I'm sorry for it. I will not like it, and I will not approve it, because this is not what we are for. Goa is different. Delhi may be different, but we are different, and we will ensure that such things don't happen. I think they have already withdrawn.
एखादी नवीन राजकीय पार्टी एखाद्या स्टेटीन वचपाक काय हरकत ना, वचूं जाय, काम करपाक जाय, इलेक्शन लडोवं जाय लोकशाही पद्दतीन। पण ज्या तरेन काल तांच्यांनी इतले दीस आमी पळयलें की सबंद गोंयभर सगळ्या इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल्सांचेर तांच्यांनी आपले बॅनर लायले, पोस्टर लायले, कितें कितें करतात, आमकां कांय फरक पडना। पण काल ज्या पद्दतीन ह्या भारत देशाचे पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी, आमचे होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाहजी आनी आमचे गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत यांचो कार्टून काडून ज्या पद्दतीन तांच्यांनी केलें, पांयार दवरलो, ट्वीट केलें, ही जर पळयली जाल्यार खरें रूप जें आसा तेणें बंगालान आपण कितें करता तेची एक ट्रेलर तांच्यांनी गोंयकारांक दाखयल्ली आसा। पण गोंय आनी बंगाल एक न्हय, आनी ताका लागून तांच्यांनी ज्या पद्दतीन केल्लें आसा ताचो निशेध म्हणून आमचे कार्यकर्ते वेगवेगळ्या भागा भितर तेंच्यांनी कृत्य पांयां दवरपाचें केलें तें जावचें ना। पण वेगवेगळ्या भागा भितर प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन जर कोणाचे बॅनर आसात जाल्यार ते सगळे वयतले।
Ever since the liberation of Goa, politics and democracy allowed every political party to go to the people with their policies, programs, and win their vote. Today is what I have seen is very disturbing, because the ruling party members I have seen tearing the legal holdings of the TMC just because they are threatened by the entry of TMC in Goa. This is not fair. In a democracy, every political party should be allowed to put up their policies, programs before the people. By sheer tearing the hoardings, they should understand, and I appeal to them not to do so. Because here a small businessman who are hiring their hoardings to TMC and who are under legal obligation to protect it will come into losses. As it is, we have seen Goa around 16,000 MSMEs, small scale industries, are closed. such acts of vandalism will further damage and put to losses our Goans who are involved in this advertising business.
गोवा 365 खातीर वास्कोच्यान हिरू महाले.